Hey everyone. Today I am going to be doing a what's in my son's Easter basket. The lighting is very bad. He's in bed. It's the only time I have free to do it. I'm going to be filming 2 different videos. What's in his Easter basket and putting it together. Also, what I got for his birthday so far. His birthday party so far. So let's get started. First is this is his Easter basket. It kind of looks bent a little bit. It's just this regular basket with a cloth inside. Looks like that. It looks a lot bigger on camera, but it's not. This he's had since since his first Easter, and I figured there's no point at all getting a different basket because this one works perfectly fine. I don't know. I just think it's kind of special, I guess. Second, I got him. Oh, all this stuff I got at Walmart. Yeah, all of his Easter stuff I got at Walmart. 'Cause, I mean, it's a good deal. I don't got Target. They just closed, or they will be closing Kmart in April. Yeah, in April they'll be closing Kmart. We don't have much stores around here at all. Honestly, Walmart's our store. We have to travel like 2 hours out of our way just to go to like Target or Gordman's or anywhere like that. And I know I kind of look like this in like every one of my videos. It's my everyday look, honestly. I have nothing more to do with myself. I mean, I look decent every once in a while. It doesn't happen all the time. But anyways, back to what's in his Easter basket. I showed you his basket. It's called 48 bright eggs. They were $1.98 at Walmart. I plan to fill these up with some candy, and I'll probably do it, I don't know. I work on Easter. It kind of sucks. I plan on having like a little Easter for him, either maybe Tuesday. Tuesday's my day off. Monday when we get home, I plan on doing egg dyeing and stuff like that with him, and Tuesday I'm gonna set up all this stuff for him, or something just so he'll be able to spend Easter with Mom. So yeah, these are the eggs I plan on putting all over my house. Put those over there. Next, I have, okay, my child is obsessed with PJ Masks. Peppa Pig and Cars. Mater is his favorite. But he has more Lightning McQueen than Mater. How that works, I have no idea. But these are, I also got for him. They're PJ Masks. They're supposed to be treat containers. They were $1.98 at Walmart. So yeah, I got those for him. This was a sticker pack. It's 98 cents, and I got that at Walmart as well. This is his, one of his decorating kits. It's called Sugar Crystal Egg Decorating Kit. And I'm kind of excited about it. I got him a coloring activity book. It was $4.74. Includes stickers It's Disney, it's Thumper, it's Easter Fun, and it comes with crayons. There are the stickers. Yeah, it just has like all kinds of fun things in there for him to do. He likes to color. He likes a lot of things. I also got this. It was 98 cents. It's tattoo stickers. They didn't have really anything more boyish, and I'm sure he won't care. But this is a tattoo book. He likes to copy me because mommy has tattoos. So here's his other egg kit thing. I didn't know what came with this stuff. I just pretty much got it for the cups. It's called Color Cups. They're $1.98 or $1.48 at Walmart. I also got him these because I'm not big on candy for him. But these are the Easter kind. Has like a little bunny. They're fruit snacks. I got him a few candy items, but you know, it's Easter. And there's a little Kisses milk chocolate bunny tube thing. A chocolate bunny. My kid is obsessed with these. I already have some around my house. There's one still stuck to my ceiling. It's called Splat Balls. I toss it and watch it splat, sticky and stretchy. He has a frog, a brain, a smiley face, a pig, an eyeball, and a tomato. I also got him 2 golden eggs. They were only 50 cents a piece because these I plan on filling with like money, because then he could go with like to the dollar store or Walmart in the dollar section, or in his piggy bank he could put his money and stuff away. And I got him this. It's a Fun on the Go. Contains 20 activity pages, 3 sticker sheets, and 4 markers. Let's see if I can open it. I don't think it's gonna open. Oh, there it is. That's how it looks on the inside. Some bubbles. Peeps. M&M eggs. Caramel eggs. And these were 98 cents at Walmart. They're Q-tips that you break and you could color the egg. I thought they were pretty neat. I got him 4 Play-Dohs. bubbles for the tub, some Flarp, a bunny, because every Easter basket needs a stuffed animal, Mr. Bubble Magic Bath Crackles Pop Fizz Snap, some jelly beans that are going in his Easter eggs, two things of grass that were also 98 cents. Play-Doh was 50 cents, $1, $1, 98 cents. Bubbles were $1. Candy, I'm not sure the price of the candy, it doesn't say. Stuffed animal, $2.98. And last but not least, I got him 98 cents. It's a wand, glow wand. And yeah, it may look like I went overboard, but he's an only child. As soon as Easter stuff came out is when I started buying it. So I like got as I went. So yeah, that's everything for his Easter basket. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, click that thumbs up button and make sure and subscribe. Comment down below if you think he needs anything else. I'm sure he don't. Because we're also having an Easter egg hunt at my grandparents' house and my mom's house. So yeah.